I'll be holding you. I'll be holding you. I'll be holding you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Raisa Naushin, and for this year's Valentine's Day, I'm here with this makeup look right here. This is very easy but yet very glam makeup look, and this is not just for Valentine's Day. You can rock this makeup look at any party or special occasion. So I really hope that you guys will enjoy this look, and if you want to know how to get this makeup look right here, then please keep on watching. For priming and moisturizing my face, I'm going to use the Estee Lauder Day Wear Moisturizer. Now I'm gonna do my brows first before doing the face makeup, and for that I'm taking the Makeup Revolution brow pomade in the shade Ebony. Here I'm curving out the brows with some concealer. For color correcting, I'm taking the Elegant Pro Concealer in the shade Orange and Kryolan Paint Stick in the shade FS24. For foundation, I'm gonna take the Milani 2-in-1 Conceal and Perfect Foundation, and I'm gonna mix a little bit of the Kona by farnaz foundation. I will list the shade names on my description bar. And with the Real Techniques Beauty Blender, I'm going to blend everything out. For highlighting my face, I'm taking the same Elegant Pro HD concealers, and the shades that I'm taking are Yellow and Classic Ivory. And I'm going to highlight the centers of my face with that. For baking my face, I'm taking the RCMA No Color Translucent Powder. And immediately I'm dusting off the excess powder, except my under eyes. And to add a little bit more coverage, I'm taking the Kona by farnaz Compact Powder. Now let's get to the eyes. First, for a transition shade, I'm taking the Jaclyn palette and taking the shade Bouquet. With a blending brush, I'm placing this all over my face. For the liner, I'm taking the NYC liquid eyeliner, and I'm doing a really dramatic wing with that. As I wanted my wing to be glittery, that's why I'm taking a black glitter that I bought from the local supermarket, and to put that on my eyelids, I'm using a lash glue.
Let's slow down. I wanna live right now. I'm not worried, thinking about tomorrow. I'm feeling.
Here I'm dusting off the excess powder. Now to highlight my brow bones and my inner corners, I'm taking a frosty highlight shade from the Jaclyn palette. Now I'm taking a dark chocolatey brown color, and I'm putting this on the lower lashes. And to blend that out, I'm taking the shade Hunts from the same palette. For mascara, I'm taking the Golden Rose Maximize Mascara. Here I'm adding some falsies. This is a pair that I got from Smart Shopping DD, and the number of this style is 017.
I'll be holding you to break off the handle. How'd we get to this place?
To highlight my face, I'm taking the Kona by farnaz highlighter, Twinkling Star Highlighter. And this is my first layer of highlighter. So I'm basically putting this on my cheekbones, chin, and a little bit on the sides of my forehead. And with the setting spray, I'm going to melt that into my skin. After the setting spray dries, I'm going to contour my face, and for that I'm taking the LA Colors I Heart Contour Kit. And I'm contouring my cheekbones, jawline and the sides of my forehead. And I'm also contouring my nose. Here I'm highlighting the tip of my nose and the bridge. For blush, I'm taking the City Color blush palette, and with a fluffy blush brush, I'm applying this on the apples of my cheeks. Here I'm adding a second layer of highlighter. And for the perfect classic red lipstick, I'm taking the Kona by Farnaz Red Liquid Lipstick in the shade Passionate.
So fragile, like it was built to break off the handle. How'd we get to this place? We're leaving everything behind.
And to set everything in place, I'm taking that same setting spray. And that's it guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye!
I'll be holding